Oo nga pala, pag-usapan natin ng mga natutunan ko sa microeconomics. Sure! Sana di ako antukin. Hoy, Dino! Anyway, here are the terms that I will discuss, please. Discuss? Capital, utility, income effect of a price change, homogeneous products, perfect competition, and imperfect competition. Let's start with utility. Utility is the basis of choice. It's where a person is satisfied for buying a certain thing. In short, a satisfaction. Marginal utility is the additional satisfaction. In the law of diminishing marginal utility, the more you have that product, the lesser the satisfaction you'll have. Wait, kunwari kapag bumili ako ng 12 pieces ng 12-inch pizza, mababawas ang satisfaction ko? Oo naman! Moving on, sa capital market, there are 5 kinds, which are physical, intangible, social, human, and measuring capital. And remember, capital is not the same as money or financial assets, okay? Oh, akala ko magkapareho ang capital sa money. Akala ko din dati eh. And did you know that when the price of a product falls, a consumer has more purchasing power? But when the price of a product rises, a consumer has less purchasing power. That's what you call the income effect of a price change. I know, it's quite obvious. Eh, ang homogeneous products, alam mo. Nope. Homogeneous products are products that are identical and undifferentiated. In perfect competition, firms are producing homogeneous products, but there is no such thing as perfect competition. By the way, example of homogeneous products includes agricultural products. Bakit? Akala ko ba there is no such thing as perfect competition? Because there is what you call branding of products. Ah, dahil pala ito sa pag-brand. Yes, you can identify or differentiate products through the brand, advertising, packaging, logo, tagline, quality, location, and price. Sa imperfect competition naman, it consists of monopoly, oligopoly, and monopolistic competition. Ano naman ang mga yon? Ang alam ko lang dyan is monopoly. Iyon yung nilalaro, di ba? No! Hello, micro-eco to. I was just kidding. Anyway, let's start with monopoly muna. Sa monopoly, iisa lang ang seller. Tsaka kontrolado niya lahat ng price. The product is unique, walang close substitutes, at may mga barriers to entry. Kaya nahihirapan ng mga competitors na pumasok sa industry na yon. Sige nga, example nga. Dati, ang PLDT, di ba iisa lang siya? Meralco pa. Matagal pa bago sila nagkaroon ng competitors. Ah, oo nga no. Tama. Sa oligopoly. Sa oligopoly, they observe the behavior of their competitors before and after they take an action. So, interdependent sila. Ah! And sa monopolistic competition, there are malls, sari-sari stores. Sa industry na ito, marami ang sellers pero low lang ang barriers to entry kaya madaming competitors. Wow, ate, dami mo natutunan ah.
Hoy, mga ate, maligo na kayo. Aalis kaya kayo.
Can we continue this talk later? Nag-enjoy na ako sa microeco eh. Sure, saya mag-microeconomics, no?